This is a quick tutorial on how to use Office Lens to submit your homework assignments into Canvas. So first off, you have to go ahead and download Microsoft Office Lens onto your phone. There is an iPhone version and an Android version. The app looks like this right here in the middle. Once you have that downloaded, you can go ahead and click on that Office Lens app button and it will bring you to your camera. You're going to want to make sure that it's on document down here. So choose document, use this button to take a picture of the first page. If you have a second page of your homework, you're going to click add new down here on the left. Turn your paper over and take a picture again. Then you go and click done on the bottom right. Make sure that you choose PDF. You want to click on PDF and you want to click on phone storage. Then this will be the file on the top left. Click on it. Click on this button up here on the right. Go ahead and swipe this to choose student. And then you can come in and choose whatever course you need to submit to. You can choose the assignment name, click on it, and then hit submit. And that is it. The assignment will go straight into Canvas and you will be finished.